Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Notion with Trello. First of all, we have to create ourselves an account at notion.com, and once we do that, we are ready to make this integration work. For this integration, we are going to use automate.io. I will leave the link in the description underneath the video. Once we are here at automate.io, we want to hover over top of our screen at integrations. We want to go to the bottom left corner, and see all integrations. As you can see, you can search from 200 and more apps. So yeah, let's start with the Notion here. Notion will be the trigger app, and the action app on the right side is Trello. Click on Trello, and as you can see, Automate already pre-made for us some popular integrations, so you just can go and try it now. If you won't be able to find any of those that you need or you want, you can scroll down and create your own integration. Underneath the triggers, you want to start with Notion, so let's go with the first one. Underneath the actions, you want to go with Trello. Not otherwise, like you don't want to start with Trello into Notion, but with Notion into Trello, and hit the try it now button. Once we hit the try it now, you will have to log in into your account at Automate, and you are basically a few clicks away from completing this integration. The second application that we can use is Zapier.com. You can also create an account here, or basically you have to, and you can start your integrations. Once we created the account, we want to go to the top left corner, and we want to make a Zap. We can name it by going like Notion to Trello for future search, and it works the same way. We want to go with the app event, the trigger one. We'll start at Notion. We click at Notion. Trigger event will be the new database as the only option here. You had like 4 more options in automate.io, as you can see, maybe 5. But let's go with this one. Choose an account. We choose the one that we already created. We hit continue, and if you are working with Notion, you already have some databases going for you, or already few of them created. But I don't, because I just created this Notion account just to show you this integration, so we can jump to second action. The second action is already, we already talked about it. It's Trello. It works basically the same way, like at Automate. Let's go with the first one among all of these options, and continue. Now we have to just to sign in with an account, and we are a few clicks away from making this integration work. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.